So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money, there is a new app called Survey Junkie. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You actually make money. You can cash out for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or just get money sent directly to your PayPal account simply for filling out surveys. If you're bored, have some extra time, and you want to pay for your gas or for your groceries. If you want some money, check out Survey Junkie. It's really cool, really easy. It's very they've been around for like 10 years. I know it said it's new, but sorry, I misspoke. They've been around for 10 years. They're awesome. Go check them out. Use my link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I'm actually filming on my phone because my camera kind of broke. I don't know. I need to get it fixed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But sorry, regardless, I'm gonna be filming on my camera, and also I'm gonna sync up my computer, so it's not really gonna matter anyways. But today's video, guys, huge breaking announcement video. Why? Because states have now officially launched the PUA, which is the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance portal application for Uber and Lyft drivers, gig workers, self-employed, etc. So there are many states, I'm going to get into all the states that are currently set up to accept now these applications, and California is the big one that launched today, April 28th on Tuesday. So I'm going to put this up at 5:30 a.m. because I believe that is the time that drivers can apply, starting at 5:30 a.m. If not, it should be up during the day, and then in other states too, it'll be up. So if you're watching this, watch till the end and then go apply, so you don't, you need to watch this video so you make sure you don't miss out on any good info. But basically, just a quick backstory on why PUA, you need to apply through PUA and not traditional unemployment, is because as an Uber and a Lyft driver, we are not technically employees. Uber does not employ us. Uber is actually Uber contracts us to do work, to drive for their platform. So we get a 1099, not a W-2. So throughout history, typically unemployment just applies for W-2 people. People work like a normal 9 to 5. Think of like somebody who works for the government, or somebody who works at a, I don't know, even a restaurant, or at a retail store. All those people are like W-2 employees, where independent contractors are like, I don't know, someone who contracts you to do construction work, or somebody who, unless you're like actually an employee of the construction company, but, or let's say you're a freelance makeup artist, or an actor, or an Uber driver, or a Lyft driver, or a DoorDash driver, or whatever. 1099 people usually are excluded from unemployment benefits, but through the US stimulus bill are now able to apply through the CARES Act. I know it gets complicated, so it's not technically unemployment insurance, it's pandemic unemployment assistance. So with all that being said, that's big news because states have finally started opening up their application sites for the pandemic unemployment assistance. I know there have been many drivers who applied for unemployment just through the traditional, 9 to 5 W-2 things as the 1099 people, just saying that, Uber's my employer or DoorDash is my employer or whatever. Some people have actually been successful, which I don't really know how that, worked, but congrats to those people. But for everybody who didn't, don't worry, you can still apply through the pandemic unemployment assistance, and they actually will retroactively give you money back. So you didn't really miss out on any money. You will get it all. You're gonna get all of the money, even if you're a month or two late. If you can, they're gonna give you money starting after you basically stopped making money, or your earnings went down. So yeah, don't worry if you haven't applied yet, or if you applied and got rejected. You can apply through the pandemic unemployment assistance. So anyways, let's just sync up my computer here, and I'm just gonna show you guys, these are the states that have been set up yet. Obviously California. So I'm just gonna go to California unemployment application. So it's actually 12/27, so it actually technically is Tuesday. So let's see if it is set up yet for pandemic unemployment. Let's just type in California pandemic unemployment assistance. That's what it's called, PUA. So let's see if it's actually here. How to file a claim. The fastest way to file a claim is through UI Online. And then I do believe that there is a specific time you need to apply at. So let's just click here. So it says, so yeah, starting at 5:30 a.m. That is Pacific Standard Time, obviously, for us California. So starting at 5:30 a.m., you will be able to apply. And this is just edd.ca.gov about, I mean, just go in and type in California Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. Now, not only is California set up, but these states are set up as well. Let's take a look. These states highlighted in green are the states that are set up. I don't know why they don't have names of states. I don't even remember the US map, but who cares, because I have Google, and who needs to even know how to do addition and subtraction if you just have Google? Am I right? Yes, I am. Good job, Dylan. So let's take a look at these two images here. Which states are currently set up? Obviously, California should be added on, but Washington set up for PUA. Another one, Utah, Colorado, Texas, Louisiana, Alabama. I did not know Alabama was over there. I thought it was more like over here, but I guess I'm wrong. Tennessee, Kentucky, Iowa, Pennsylvania, New York, and Massachusetts. Looks like it's also set up. And this state here, Vermont. I didn't even realize Vermont was a state. I'm so bad at geography and history. Okay, so those are the states that are set up. Awesome. So for all the people in those states, go apply for PUA. Let's just do a really quick breakdown of how much money you will get for California at least, and then for other states as well. So let's click here. Let's go to my notes because let's face it, this is my new to-do list. So let's see. I think this is it. How much would I receive? Oh, here we go, guys. So there's 3 phases for PUA. This is at least for California, and I assume other states will be very, very similar, so pay close attention. So there's 3 phases that they do. So they're dating back all the way from February 2nd to March, or I guess back to February 2nd. So if you can prove that you stopped making money, or if you started making less money, anywhere as far back as February 2nd, you're gonna get paid starting then. If they approve you. 167 per week from February 2nd to March 28th. And then it looks like March 28th, I do believe that was around the time that the bill was passed. So from March 28th, March 29th to July 25th, they're gonna give you that 167 plus $600 per week. I do believe that is 13 weeks. I could be wrong, but I do believe that's 13 weeks. Then, after July 25th, you're also going to get an additional $167 from July 26th all the way until December 26th. So that's a lot of money. Now, these are just the initial payments. This is absolutely insane, guys. After these initial payments, depending on your prior earnings, your weekly amount of $167 may be increased. So you could be making upwards of $167 plus the $600. So this is just an example, only if you did from March to April. This is a lot of money, guys. This is a lot of money. Just bare minimum, $767 a week for those 13 weeks, and then $167 or more for the other weeks. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know, do a really quick update video for you guys to let you guys know that the sites are up for those 11 states, and then the other ones should be rolling out soon. So just go to your state website for unemployment website, if whatever, just type in your state and then pandemic unemployment assistance or your state plus unemployment benefits, and just look. It should be a .gov site, and see if there are any announcements for applying for pandemic unemployment assistance. Again, you will, if you're a self-employed contract worker, you want to apply for pandemic unemployment assistance and not normal unemployment insurance. I just want to harp on that, just so you guys don't apply for the wrong thing and get denied. Anyways, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Go apply, go get your money. All right, let's talk soon. Bye, guys.